and then we moved into learning the combo. Um, and then that, obviously, like, some people really take the choreo really well. So some people were like really strong at like picking the choreo up. And I think the choreo necessarily wasn't hard in technicality, but it is harder in nuance. So again, like all my movement is super grounded for the most part, so it's getting people from not being like too like bouncing up. Um, and it's just some of there's like a lot of poses that happen that kind of come out of nowhere, and it's like remembering the order of the poses and things like that. But I did have one that was a little more contemporary in that it's like a little bigger. You have like ronde-jambs and things like that, that felt within that bag a little bit more. And then the second combo I taught them was definitely more housey. It was still on the simpler of house things. It was like a triangle and uh, a little loose leg and things like that, and love a kickball change. Um, and then like when I had them do the actual audition, I was really taking into consideration, okay, so how do they do with picking up the choreography, performing the choreography, making it their own, as well as like what are things that I noticed from across the floor. I know some people were stronger across the floor than others were with the choreography and vice versa. But I took that all into consideration when I ended up casting my dancers. Anyways, so if you've been on this journey, thank you for listening. And I will talk about something else. Probably our first rehearsal because I forgot where I booked space that day. Okay, bye.